Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud engineer tutorial. Today we are in Linux. Our scenario today is the Nautilus DevOps team is working on setting up a new virtual machine to host a web server for critical application. The team has requested that you create an Azure VM that will serve as a web server using Nginx. The VM will be part of the initial infrastructure setup for the Nautilus project, ensuring that the server is correctly configured and accessible from the internet is critical for the upcoming deployment phase. As a member of the Nautilus DevOps team, your task is to create a VM with the following specifications. Instance name must be data center -VM. Image can use any available Ubuntu image to create this VM. And custom script extension user data. You must configure a VM to run custom script during launch. This script should install Nginx package, start the Nginx service, and a network security group to allow port 80 from the internet. All right, let's get started. In the Azure portal, we'll go to virtual machines. We'll click create. Copy our virtual machine name and paste it in here. We're going to go up to East US for the region. Availability zones will say no infrastructure redundancy required. Security type is standard. For image, we're going to go to Ubuntu server 22.4 LTS. For size, we're going to go and we're going to pick the V1s from the B series. And keep all this by default. Public inbound ports, we're going to choose none. Go over to this. OS this type, we're going to choose standard SSD. Go to networking. We're going to go to NIC, network security group, go to advanced, click create new. We can leave the standard rule here, the default SSH rule, and we're going to add a rule that allows HTTP destination port 80. So we'll add that. Click OK. Keep going until we get to the advanced tab, and then we'll add our script here to do what the task asks. So it's shebang /bin /bash, and we're going to say apt update -y and apt install Nginx -y. And I think Ubuntu starts the service by itself, but just in case it doesn't, we'll just say system control start Nginx. All right, go down, we'll click review and create. And validation is passed, so now we'll create this VM, and I'll download my private key here. All right. Now let's wait for this to deploy. All right, our deployment is complete. So let's check out our virtual machine. Go to resource. And it's running, it's in the East US. We have our IP address here. I'm going to SSH into this machine using my terminal on my computer. So get this, say SSH-I, go to the key there, say Azure user, and I'll just copy this IP address. Alright, so we're now in our virtual machine, and I can say system control status Nginx. And as you can see, the Nginx server is enabled and it's running. And that's our virtual machine host name right there, so you know we're in the right one. So I'll just get out of this, exit that, close this, and let's go ahead and validate the task in KodeKloud. And there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I have more videos to come. Make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.